You want to get a job, enter elempleo.com. And check its main page. Here you will find hundreds of jobs offers. In this section you will find the benefits of joining elempleo.com VIP. As you hear it, you can follow these steps and take advantage of your VIP membership. The next thing you can find in this website is my advice in this space. You will have resume advice. In companies, what you will find is a list of companies with their respective activity. In news you can read that news around the labor issue in Colombia. You can choose what article to read. See image and video as well. In Contact Us you will have a space to send concerns and suggestions, complaints or claims, and there is also a space to fill in your personal data.